Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I want to show us how we can quickly calculate monthly payment for mortgage or a solution. We have a $180,000 mortgage is taken at 4% annual interest for 30 years. Now we want to calculate the monthly payments. Now the formula we are going to use for our monthly payments equals to M equals P multiplied by I over 1 minus open bracket 1 plus I close bracket raised to power minus n. Alright, so I'm going to define each of these parameters that we need. Alright, M, let's start with M. M means the monthly payments. It means the monthly payments. We have P. P represents the loan amount, that is the mortgage amount, which is $180,000. What do we have? We have I. I is the monthly interest rate. Monthly interest rate. Alright, so it means that if we have annual rates, we are going to divide it by 12 to give us the monthly interest rate. So it means the monthly interest rate is the annual interest rate over 12 because we have 12 months in a year. What else do we need? We need our N. Okay, our N represents the total months. We have 30 years, so it means we are going to multiply that by what? By 12. So N is the total months. Now let's use the formula to find our monthly mortgage payments. Now I'm going to write that again. We have our M is what we are looking for. Right, so what is our P? Our P is the loan amount, and from the question, what is our loan amount? Our loan amount is $180,000. So that is $180,000. $180,000 is the loan amount. What else do we need? We need our I. Our I, which is the monthly interest rate. Alright, so now the rates we have in the question is 4% per annum. Right, so if we are calculating our I, this is what we do. Our I now will be equals to 4% over 12. Alright, so I have our monthly interest rate, and that gives 4%, same thing as 0.04, which is 4 over 100. Alright, so that gives 0.04 over 12. And if you calculate 0.04 over 12, it will give us 0.00333333, about 8 threes. Okay, we have to be careful with the figures, so I would suggest that we use all the decimal points that we have. That gives our monthly interest rate. What else do we need? We need our total months, okay, which is our N. How many years do we have? From the question, we have 30 years, and then we convert that to months. What do? We do 30 years times 12 months, and that gives about 360 months. So we have 360 months for the total months. Now let's substitute for the values now using our formula. I'm going to write the formula again. We have M equals to Pi over 1 minus open bracket 1 plus I raised to power minus n. Alright, so our M, what is our P? Our P is $180,000 multiplied by, what is our I? The monthly interest rate is 0.003333333. Alright, over, okay, this is 1 is a constant, minus open bracket, there is another 1. What is our I? It is 0.003333333, then raised to power minus n. What is our n? Is 360, so raised to power minus 360. Okay, now 180,000 times this will give us 600, right? So that gives 600 over, right? We have 1 minus, okay, 1 plus this will give us 1.003333333 raised to power minus 360. Okay, now from there, if you do, we are going to multiply. From there, we are going to, okay. Now, 1.003333 raised to power minus 360 will give us, I'm going to write the answer. So we have 1 minus, the whole of this will give us 0.3017958.652. Okay, something like this. And then when we subtract 1 from it, we have 600 over, this will give us 0.69820.41348. All right, now our final answer, our monthly payment is equals to 600 divided by this will give us 859.35. all right, so this is the amount you are going to pay monthly for the mortgage. All right, so we have $859.35 per month. All right, so now let's do something similar. Let me write something similar for us to try. A 150,000, okay, it's 50,000. A 50,000 loan is taken at 5% annual simple interest for 18 months. So the question is, how much interest will be paid? All right, let's try this and write our answer in the comment section. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Also, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe. See you next time.